fun they had, a lesson from your book Behave, class 9th. The fun they had here with the title, what we can understand, just try to break the title into parts. The fun, enjoyment they had means someone is having fun, someone is enjoying. So you people sitting at this particular time thinking about someone who is enjoying, or you people sometimes will be thinking, when my sister or when my brother was young, they used to have fun, parents were not telling them anything, this and that. People keep on thinking a lot of things. Here also a kid in the lesson is thinking about the fun children had in the olden times. Okay, as you would be thinking right now before this pandemic time that, oh, the fun I had when I was going to school, those days were brilliant days, I want to go back to that time. And right now you are confined to rooms and you are studying online classes and you're just inside your houses and you're not going anywhere. Earlier you used to go to school, you used to enjoy, you used to talk with your friends, share so lots of stuff and rest of things. So in this lesson, a child named Margie is thinking about the olden days. Here in the chapter, there's this is described about old schools and new schools. Old schools were the sort of schools you had before 2020, where you were packing your bags, you were going to schools and you had books, you were taking your lunch, you were enjoying lunch break time with your friends. There's canteen, playground and every activity. While coming back to your home, you were in the summertime, you were taking ice creams, eating lots of stuff with your friends and planning for evening meets as well. And new sort of schools are also talked about. New sort of schools are the schools right now also you people are taking online classes. It is same, only just a bit of differences there, what you have and what these people had in future. This the plot is for future for this story. These people had robotic teachers, yet by the time you people are not having robotic teachers, we teaching you out there and we are human beings for sure. But these people had mechanical teachers or robotic teachers, you can say. There was a computer screen, there were slots as you have slots in your cell phones to put memory card, sim card. So sort of slots were there. They used to put their homework, their test papers in those slots. First part is this, old schools and new schools. Next is old teachers and new teachers. Old teachers human beings and new teachers are robotic teachers. Next is about books. What is told in the lesson? Books, new books and old sort of books. Old sort of books are the books that you people have. Pages can be turned physically, words are still, words are never changing, whatever is written once will always be there forever. Sometimes when you're frustrated and angry, we can tear them up. These are the old sort of books. And new sort of books are the digital books, online books, e-books. On Google you can check it out. This time you have NCERT apps also, where you can just download and get your all the books at one place. These are the new sort of books that are mentioned in the story here. Next, characters. In the story there are two main characters. Margie, she's a girl. Tommy is a boy. Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. They both are just neighborhood friends. And Margie and Tommy are the main characters for your story. Next, there is Margie's mother also, Mrs. Johns, and there's a county inspector. Now, who's this county inspector? County inspector is a small, round, little man with red face, having a box of tools and dials and wires in his hand. The work of county inspector was, whenever there was some problem with the mechanical teachers, whenever the mechanical teachers were not working properly, he used to come to repair them. He was called, just as in your house also, sometimes your gadgets, they wore out, they're not working properly. So what we do, we call out mechanical engineers and they repair the equipments and then we are good to go with them. Same thing, mechanical teachers also, they had lots of problem with them, and county inspector was the person who used to come and repair the mechanical teachers. I think till here it is clear to you people. So we'll go with detailed line by line explanation as well. The fun they had, as I already explained you the title of the lesson, someone sitting at a present moment is thinking about fun that someone in the past had. As you people right now sitting out there would be thinking the fun you had when you were studying in schools. So in the first page itself, the picture is given where you can see there's a robotic teacher, classes are going on inside a room, virtual classes are there is no physical teacher standing out there, they're just a screen and robot, and the girl is studying. Virtual text is explained there, a child is sitting and learning through computers. in the before you read section, you can just look at these pictures and take a little bit glimpse of what you're going to study further in the lesson. So, in the first paragraph, it is written that Margie dated her diary as. Margie dated a diary, it means that she had the habit of writing diary, and she dated her diary as 17th May 2157. From this part, you can understand that this story is around 136 years ahead. This is a complete future plotted story, and Margie had the habit of writing diary, and she dated it as you know, the format of writing diary, you have to write down date, day, and their diary, and then you have to begin out there. So she dated it as 21 May 2157, and she wrote that today Tommy found a real book as in the book you people have, where pages can be turned physically, the words are still, they are not moving. That book she's talking about. She said that Tommy found a real book today, and then she moves further that the book was very old. Margie's grandfather once told her that when his grandfather was a kid, means Margie's grandfather's grandfather, when he was a kid, that time they had such sort of books. And what is written about the book in the next paragraph, you can just check it out. The books were crinkly, little bit crushed, the pages were a little bit crushed, the pages were yellow, and the pages needed to be turned physically, as in our books we are writing and then we are turning the page once the page gets filled off. And she says that it was very funny to read such books there where the pages were crinkly, they were little folded, and where the words were not at all moving, they were always same, whether you will read it today or you will read it after an year, the words will be same. So for them it was very funny to read those books that were like sort of this. And then in the next paragraph, second paragraph, Tommy says ghee is just an expression, as in if you people also like, oh no, what such sort of expressions we use. So here also Tommy says that ghee, what a waste. When you were done with the books, you threw them away. Because Tommy having such sort of books was really weird, because these kids are future kids and they always read from the virtual text, like whatever was displayed by the mechanical teachers. They had internet, they had books on their cell phones and everything. They were not having such sort of books. So for Tommy, having such a book was very weird, and he said, oh no, it's such a waste that when you are done with the books, when your term is over, you'll throw the books away, as in if you people would be doing. When you are done with the books, when your session gets complete, you are also throwing the book or giving it to someone else, or you're selling it to a junk seller or to a shop that is taking these second hand books and selling, is dealing in second hand book sale. Everyone is doing. We are not having that much storage space that we can store our books from second standard or third standard to the 12th and 12th. We people are not doing it. But for Tommy, it was, he had all the books on his screen, because we do have data, like we have these storage spaces in our cell phones, and we can store as much as our cell phone is permitting us to do so. So he said that I have a computer screen, and my computer screen has millions of books stored in it, and it is pretty good enough for million more. And Margie also said, yes, my this screen is also having enough storage space, and there is no need to throw the books, and there is no need of storing so much of books with me. I do have enough space in my screen. So now Margie is also agreeing with Tommy. Now here Margie says to Tommy, she's asking actually that where did you find this book? Tommy replies, in the attic. Attic as in there is a storage space in every house, a space below the roof, small area that is used to store the extra stuff, that is attic. So Margie was asking to Tommy that where did you find the book, and Tommy said that I found the book in the attic, and he was not paying this much attention to Margie just because he was extremely busy in reading the book. As in if you people would be sometime busy in watching your videos or doing your stuff, talking to your friend, and your siblings would be coming to you, your mother would be coming to you that kindly help me out with this sort of work, or they would be asking something that what is this or that, and you would be ignoring them completely because you are this time busy in your work and you don't want to pay attention to them. The same sort of stuff you can imagine this boy Tommy as at your place also, and think that he was also busy just like you people, and he was ignoring Margie and he was not replying that properly to Margie. He just said in the attic. Then Margie said to Tommy, okay, what is this book about? Then Margie said, this book is about school. Margie was, school? What is there to write about school, and why someone has written about school? Because she was completely irritated. There's a reason for it. She was completely irritated from her school life, and the moment she came to know that this book is about school, she was like, why? why someone has written about school, and on the top, what is there to write about school. Margie was irritated. Margie used to hate school, and for the moment, she was hating it to a limit just because her geography teacher, like already SST is a sort of like hectic subject for kids, and geography, some would be having problem in geography, and also having problem in geography, and many of you would also be having. So you can relate yourself with Maggie and think the geography teacher was daily giving her test. So she was irritated with this thing also. You people or anyone out there, we're not liking the teachers who are regularly giving us tests. In school, if your teacher is going to give you UTs and all regularly, you would love to skip the classes for that particular teacher, just because daily testing is something that we find irritating. We get frustrated at times. We do need a break. But here, the geography teacher of Margie was giving a regular test to Margie, and Margie was completely irritated for this first thing. Second of all, she was getting bad marks. This was a cherry on the top. First of all, regular test. Second, she was getting daily bad grades. Imagine, daily you were getting bad scores, either in history or mathematics, and you're coming home and you're telling to your mother, again I got 10 out of 4, 10 out of 5, 10 out of 3. She would be screaming at you like anything. Here also, she was regularly getting tests on the top, bad grades daily. Imagine the condition of the poor girl here in the lesson. So, this was the problem with Margie majorly, and why this thing was going on. Why she was not getting good grades, you will come to know afterwards in the story and the like later on paragraphs. But here the mother was completely irritated with Margie's performance, and she screamed, she shook her head that day, and she called for the county inspector. Now, what was county inspector? I told you in the beginning who was county inspector. County inspector was the mechanical in charge for these mechanical teachers. He was a small, round little man with red face. He had box in what tools and dials, wires, and everything that was needed for the mechanical teachers to be repaired was kept inside. County inspector came. He patted Margie. He gave an apple to Margie. He talked with the mother of Margie, and afterwards he went with mechanical teacher to repair. At this particular time, Margie was hoping that hopefully the county inspector may take my teacher for approx a month, and I'll be getting leaves for these particular days, and there would be no need of studying for a month. So she was praying to God, as in for you people, you are always praying for holidays and all, and God heard your prayers this time, and He has given you like holidays for approx 2 years now. I do think so. So Margie was also hoping to God that God, please let this county inspector take my teacher away for approximately 1 month, so that I can take deep breath and I can enjoy my life a little bit. But this did not happen. The county inspector was back within an hour, and he repaired the mechanical teacher. He said to Margie's mother that there was a problem in the county inspector, and your girl is progressing very nicely. She is progressing satisfactorily as in okay, average child. She was performing averagely. County inspector said to the mother of Margie. Now, what was the problem with this Margie's teacher, geography teacher especially, geography sector? The geography sector was paid a little too quick. Minds that you people are in 9th standard. If I start asking you questions from 10th or 12th standard, will you be able to answer it? No, it will just bounce away. The same was with Margie. The Margie was very small, very young, and the teacher was asking questions that were not of her level at all, that were not related to her class at all. Therefore, Margie was getting bad grades at geography regularly. The county inspector repaired this problem of the mechanical teacher, came back, patted Margie again, and said to the mother that the girl is progressing averagely and there was a problem that I have repaired. Now everything will be fine. Margie literally used to hate the slot area where she had to put homework, where she had to put her test papers, and the most irritating part was that it was a mechanical teacher, and the teacher immediately, within a just quick snap, the teacher immediately checked all the papers and gave the marks, random marks. And it is, I don't think so that anyone loves the teacher who is just checking your papers immediately in the class and giving you the results, especially if it's mathematics or history, such sort of subjects. So we also want like, okay, today we have given test, our parents know, let it delay a bit off, and then they will forget. If there will be bad scores in the test, then we can hide it a bit off, and such sort of activities children are always planning to do. Here also Margie used to hate the portion of that slot area as in you also have in your cell phones to put SIM cards and all. I told in the beginning also. she used to hate that part a lot. She was little okay with the mechanical teacher. Okay, there's a teacher, a big black screen where the words are flashing regularly and they are studying on the screens and all. She was okay with all these things, but she used to hate the slot part a lot, a lot. Now, Maggie was extremely dissatisfied. She was extremely disappointed. Why she was disappointed? She was disappointed because she was hoping, she was praying to God that God kindly take this mechanical teacher away for a month. But this did not happen and she was disappointed just because of the same reason. Why she was hoping that the teacher must be taken away for a month? Why? She was hoping just because Tommy's teacher also once was taken away for a month. History sector problem was there. There was a problem with Tommy's teacher also, and Tommy's teacher was taken away for 1 month. Why the teacher was taken away for a month? Because the history sector had blanked out completely. The teacher did not remember anything about history, so what the teacher is going to teach in future. Therefore, to repair it, to bring the memory back, the teacher had to be taken for a month. Same thing Margie was also hoping. Just because in your house you have two siblings or three, if you have cousins also. So if your cousin got a gift, 2 to 3 siblings in your house, and if your sister just passed out 12th and she got a scooty or a cell phone or something like that, you'll never accept something that is below. You'll always hope for something a little more, that you also want either the same thing or a little more expensive or a little more demanding, but you are not going to accept anything lesser than her if you also pass with good grades. So here also Maggie, the same human phenomena, she was also hoping that my teacher had problem, so she must be also taken for a month away because Tommy's teacher was also taken. Same thing, you also want similar to your friends or your siblings. She was also hoping. Now she asked to Tommy that why someone would write about school. What for? What is exciting to write about school? It is such a boring thing because their classrooms were just next. They were having online classes. They were not going anywhere. So for this girl, it was a very boring process. But Tommy looked at her with a very superior eyes. He was like, stupid, you don't know. These schools are not of our kind. These are old sort of schools where there was a building, teachers had to go there, and all these things. You don't know anything about it. These schools existed years and years ago. He added loftily as in he was adding pressure to his words, and he said that these schools existed long back. You don't know anything about it, Maggie. Take a break. And then Maggie started reading. She was irritated. I don't want to know what sort of schools they had. She put her head over his shoulder and started reading the book. After 2 to 3 lines, she read that anyway they had a teacher. She read they had a teacher and she was again frustrated just because of her experience with geography teacher. She said that anyway they had a teacher and that's it. If they had a teacher, it means it was bad. I don't like teachers at all. So here Tommy says, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a mechanical teacher. So if there was no mechanical teacher, then what was the teacher? Who was the teacher then? Then Tommy explains to Maggie that they had a human teacher. A human was a teacher there that time. Then again Maggie had a question. Human teacher? Can a human be a teacher? Then Tommy says, no, a human can be a teacher. My father knows as much as my mechanical teacher. I do think so that a human being can also be a teacher. But Margie was not able to process these things. She was not able to stomach it, and she said, no, I don't think so. According to Margie, a man was not enough smart to teach someone, but Tommy said, no, my father is enough smart and he can also teach someone. He has as much as knowledge as my mechanical teacher. Margie was already irritated and frustrated and tired, and she was not ready to dispute. She was not ready to like engage in conversations with Tommy, and she said, whatever the reason be, I don't want a strange person coming to my house. I don't want a stranger coming to my house. Here Tommy said, oh, you don't know anything. That time the teacher was not coming to the house of kids. There was a building, the teacher used to go there, and every kid also went to the school. There was a building known as school. Everyone went there and they were studying together. There was a teacher teaching all the kids. He used to give homework and he used to check it. He used to give test papers, teach the students in the schools that time. And he said that all the kids used to learn the same things that the teacher was teaching to them. Here Margie said that, but my mother says that a teacher must be adjusted to every child. According to the needs of every child, the teacher must be adjusted. So how they were doing that? Then Tommy says no, they were not doing it this way, because there was one teacher for many kids. Like you people are 40 children in a class or 45 in a class. This is a ratio, and there's one teacher. But that time there was one teacher and one child. So Maggie is there like, my mother says that a teacher must be adjusted to every child individually. But Tommy says that no, they were not doing like this at that time. And he added to it, Maggie, if you don't like the book, if you don't want to read, just go away. Don't irritate me. Because Tommy was reading it and Maggie was again and again questioning him. So here Tommy got irritated and he said, Maggie, if you don't want to read the book, you can go and let me read. But Maggie immediately said, no, 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 I am reading it. I am not having any problem. I didn't say that I did not like the book. And she was calm and she silently sat and started reading the book there. Now Maggie actually wanted to read about those funny schools and those funny sort of books she wanted to read. They did not finish the book even half. By now, the mother of Maggie came and she said, Maggie, this is the time for school. Maggie looked up at the clock and said, not yet, Mama, not yet. As in, if you people, when your mothers would be coming to you, when you were going to your actual schools, they would be coming and waking you up, and you were like, no, Mama, yet there are 2 minutes left, yet there are 3 minutes left, let me sleep for more 5 minutes. Just like that. So Maggie was busy and she was excited about reading the books now, and she said to her mother, not yet, Mama, there are yet few minutes left. Then Mrs. Johns, mother of Maggie, she said, Tommy, this is the time for you also, so you can also proceed to your house, and Maggie, you also move to your class now. Tommy also, he packed up the book, he put the book under his arm and he started wrestling and he started moving from there. Maggie said that, Tommy, after the class, can I also read the book with you? And Tommy, without paying that much attention to Maggie, just replied, okay, fine. And he moved away from there. Maggie entered into her class, and the same big black boarding screen was displaying the lesson for her today. And today's topic of Maggie was arithmetic. The teacher was displaying the lesson of how add-on fractions and arithmetic lesson was going on. Maggie sat down. So leaving Saturday and Sunday, that screen was always on at the same time, because Maggie's mother thought that little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Of course, we also think so. If you are doing something at regular intervals daily, you will be able to do that work very properly and very nicely. So this was the thought of Maggie's mother also, that if someone is doing something at regular intervals, the person will be able to learn it more better. So this was the schedule for Maggie. Leaving Saturday and Sunday, the teacher, the mechanical screen, the mechanical teacher was lit up regularly at the same time. Saturday and Sunday was off. So today also the screen was lit up and it displayed today's lesson is on arithmetic, addition of proper fractions and blah blah blah. This sort of lesson was going on, and said that kindly insert your yesterday's homework in the slot. What is the benefit with human teachers? Sometimes the teachers also forget to check the homework and you get the benefit of it. But here it was a robot, it was a mechanical teacher, everything was feeded, no loopholes at all. So the teacher displayed that kindly insert your homework, yesterday's homework. Maggie, with a deep breath, with a deep breath, she went, and in her head it was going on about that when my grandfather's grandfather was a kid, they used to have schools where they were going together, where they were enjoying, taking lunch together, going to playgrounds, having fun. Lots of kids were there, they used to talk, they used to share their views, everything you people used to do when you were going to your actual schools. It was going in her head. As in, a few people, sometimes you are sitting out there in your class and your teacher is teaching, and sometimes you're like, oh, my mother would be cooking this thing, I'll go to a party today, I'm going to wear this dress at my birthday, and you are imagining such things when you are not interested in listening something. So all these things Maggie was also thinking about the old school, about the old teachers and the fun they used to have. Now the ending line is the fun they had. She was thinking about the fun they had, the fun you people had before 2020, the fun Maggie's grandfather's grandfather had when he was a kid. I guess you people would also be missing your school days by now, as you have not gone to school for an year approx. So here Maggie's teacher was teaching add-on fractions 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4, and Maggie was thinking all about the old schools and all teachers and the fun the children had when they were going to schools. So in the lesson we have studied about old schools, old teachers, old books, real new books, county inspector, Maggie, Tommy and her mother. These were the key points of this lesson. This lesson is based on only these things, and you can elaborate it further. What were old schools, what were new schools, what were the real books, new books, and the question answer session also we'll do. In the next video, I'll try to discuss all the question answers that are given in the back of your book. So if you watched the video till here, it means you either liked the video or you found it informative. I do have a question for you. I'll be speaking 2 sentences and there would be a correction. You'll have to just replace one word and make the sentence correct. Let me see whether you understood the chapter or not. 2 sentences I'll be speaking. You'll have to change one word and make the whole sentence correct. The first one is, Margi's teacher history sector had blanked out. You have to change one word and make the sentence correct. Second, county inspector was a small, round, little man who made the mechanical teachers. Again, change a word and correct the sentence. Comment the answers in the comment section. Found the video informative, do hit the like button. Thank you for watching.